Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply an Audible membership coupon. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Audible website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Account Details section, usually found in the top right corner or under your profile menu. This is where you'll find the option to manage your promotional codes and apply any discounts you have. Next, carefully find the specific coupon code you intend to use. This code might have been sent to you via email or found on a promotional page. Type or paste this code into the designated input field, which is typically labeled promotional code or coupon code. It's crucial to double-check every character to avoid any errors before moving forward, ensuring a smooth application process. After entering your code, click the Apply or Redeem button to activate the discount. You should then see an immediate update to your membership details or the total cost in your shopping cart. Take a moment to confirm that the discount, whether it's 20% off your next month or a free credit, has been correctly applied. This step ensures your savings are reflected accurately. Finally, if your coupon isn't working, first verify its expiration date and review the terms and conditions to ensure it applies to your specific membership. Some coupons are for new members only or for certain types of subscriptions. If issues persist, don't hesitate to contact Audible customer support. They are available to help troubleshoot and ensure you can enjoy your membership benefits without any hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.